Welcome to our 4-H Kitchen. My name is Anna Claire Zerang, and I am a Louisiana State Food and Fitness Board member. In today's video, I will show you how to properly wash your hands and safely prepare food. Before we begin, it's important to remember a couple things. Always remember to roll back long sleeves, take off any jewelry that may get in the way of cooking, and to tie back long hair. When discussing the topic of food safety, I like to remember the acronym CCSC, which stands for Clean, Separate, Cook, and Chill. It is crucial that you wash your hands thoroughly using warm water and soap. To wash your hands, simply turn on the warm water, pump and apply soap, and make sure to scrub your hands using your palms, the backs of your hands, in between your fingers, underneath your fingernails, and your wrists. Rinse off the soap and dry your hands using a paper towel. And make sure to turn off the faucet using the paper towel. It is important to sanitize countertops, and you can do this by using an all-purpose cleaner. For this video, I will not be observing the wait time. The wait time is the amount of time that a cleaner stays on the surface. The general wait time is 30 seconds to 10 minutes. It's also important to remember to wash any utensils or food surfaces before you use them. Don't forget to wash your fruits and vegetables before cooking or eating. The next letter is C for cook. It's important that you cook foods at the proper temperature. Otherwise, they could be undercooked or overcooked. The only way to tell if your food is properly cooked at the right temperature is by using a thermometer, not by color and texture. The proper temperatures for cooking foods are displayed on your screen now. The next letter is S, which stands for separate. It's important to separate foods such as raw meats, poultry, seafood, and eggs away from other foods such as vegetables and fruits. Make sure to always use separate cutting boards and keep them away from each other in the refrigerator. Last letter is C for chill. It's important to make sure that your refrigerator is constantly at the temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit. You can thaw foods by placing them in the refrigerator, in cold water, or in the microwave, but never on the counter. Thanks for coming to our 4-H Kitchen. I hope you learned more about food safety and hand washing from this video. 4-H Kitchens rule!